Hi, good day. Please introduce yourself.
Good day to all employees in Hong Kong. My name is Mary Jewel Canale. I am 35 years old, married. I also have a child, a boy. He is 9 years old. And I am completed a vocational course in office management.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Sir, Madam, I want to work in Hong Kong to help to provide my family's needs for the future of my child, and I want to have a savings for my future.
Do you have working experience abroad as a domestic helper?
No, sir, I don't have experience as a domestic helper in abroad, but I have experience as a domestic helper here in the Philippines from 3 years to 8 months.
What are your duties and responsibilities to your employer?
Sir and Madam, my duties and responsibilities in my employer are taking good care of the children, feeding them with nutritious and healthy foods, bathing and dressing the children, tutoring them in their assignments, drop off and picking up them from the school, and my other chores are washing dishes, cleaning the kitchen, cooking and preparing food for the family, and cleaning and disinfecting the comfort room for preventing the germs and bacteria spreading all over the house, cooking, washing and ironing, and also marketing.
Aside from taking care of a kids, what is your skills?
My skills, sir and madam, is I know how to taking good care of the children in various ages, taking good care of the elderly, assisting them in their daily activities, such as feeding them in healthy and nutritious food, and also dressing them and bathing them, and reminding them to take their medicine on time.
What are the traits necessary to be a good domestic helper?
Sir, madam, the traits to be a good domestic helper are honest, trustworthy, honest, flexible, hardworking.
Lastly, anything else you want to tell to your future employer?
Sir and madam, I am willing to adjust and learn in your family's daily needs, and I will promise that taking good care and serving your family like my own, and I will promise that I will serve your family in respect, patience, and commitment. Thank you, and see you in Hong Kong.